Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you. Still got a couple weeks to go to that happens, but hey, just want to let you know that Christmas time is here, and I'm very excited about that. But anyways, welcome back, and we made I made a little bit of profit. So last time I was here, last video, my account was at around $90, and I'm happy to say with the strategy that I've been using and sticking with. Yeah, I have gained about a $27 profit, close to $30. And the cool thing about it is that the stock rose I think about 5% the very next day. So I saw that rise and I said to myself, you know what, I'm not going to hold on any longer. It's time to sell this option. And that's exactly what I did. So the strategy is working really well. If you don't know what my strategy is, you can refer to my last video or my last blog entry on baileyfinancialgroup.org. But to summarize it real quick is that I make sure to make the option as easy to sell as possible. So if I'm in profit, I sell it and it just goes quickly, it goes immediately. So what I do, I buy between 1 to 4 contracts. 4 contracts will be about the max, whatever, depending on how much is in my Robinhood account. And then once I see profit, I make sure to sell during the market hours while everything is active and everybody is wanting to buy or sell, instead of waiting to try to sell in the aftermarket or when the markets are closed, hoping that somebody will buy right at the open, which is not the way to do it. I learned that the hard way, as you have seen in my past videos. So that's my new strategy, and it's been working well. This is the second option that I've won in a row. So hoping to keep the streak alive and keeping it going as my account continues to build up. Hopefully we'll be able to compound this into a bigger amount. But let's go into more details here. So I'll hit my notifications. So I did Park Hotels and Resorts, PK. So you guys can get a look at what the transaction was real quick. So I placed the order Sunday night before the markets opened Monday morning, because I wanted to get my buying there right away at the price that it was. So I did that. So I bought it 60 cents per share, 100 for the contract. $55 is the amount that I was going to go into the contract, just one contract. And the order was filled at the very start of the market. That was December 12th. And then the very next day, the stock rose 5%. And it was dope. It was like really cool to see. So I put in the order to sell as fast as possible while the market was open. So we received your order to sell, to close one contract, $12.50, minimum 90 per share. Now, if you go back before, it was at 60 per share. So that's a nice little profit right there. So I wanted to get out while I was ahead. You know what I like to say at the end of my videos, take the money and run. So that's exactly what I did. So as soon as I put in that order to sell, then that order was gone immediately. Like, it was no time. It was less than 2 seconds. I would say even less than 1 second. It sold like really quickly. Okay, so now let's go over to my charts on TradingView real quick. Let's see. So we go back to home position on Robinhood. Hey, let's take a look at the chart. So this is PK, and I put up here $27 in profit. The stock did rise about 5%. Now I started down here, okay, around there, and then it just went up here. Now this was my strategy. This is how I figured out that this trade was hopefully going to go up. So I looked at this bar right here. This is where it was this past Sunday night. Okay, so you see this green line, the moving average is moving upwards a little bit. Okay, it's moving upwards. Okay, so and I saw that this Ekinashi candle, you see you have a flat bottom for that candle, which means it's a good chance for it to be a good bullish trend, even just for a little bit. Okay, now that's not the only thing that lined up. So we have this EMA, the moving average, going up to 200 moving. Is it a 200? Let's see. I think it's a I think it's the 50. I think it's the 50, but I'll check it out later. But anyways, this moving average is going up. Okay. So flat bottom on the Akinashi candle. And if we go down here, okay, the stock was moving upwards at the same time. Okay. And I like to have it going upwards from the middle of the stock meter. That's what I like to do. And if I don't see it that way, then I just don't trade. I'll find another stock. And the same thing if it's heading down in the bearish market. This has to be pointing down from the top of the stock. So this is going up, this is going up, and it was going up through the middle of the stock, and it's lining up. You see, lining up the Akinashi candle, flat bottom Akinashi candle, moving average going towards the upwards way. So that allowed me to think. I said to myself, you know what? This looks like it could be going towards a bullish trend, and seeing these things lined up, it has to be this lined up. If it's not looking like this, I'm not going to take the trade. So I saw this lined up, and that's when I said to myself, I'm going to execute this trade. And I felt very confident about it, and that's just what I did. So that's pretty much my strategy. That's my chart strategy, my analysis, and my buy and sell strategy. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick, and I'll continue to relay this to you in the future, just in case I have new viewers watching these videos. Okay, but yeah, I'm very happy with the turnout. My next trade will hopefully. I thought about maybe doing 2 trades a week, but right now I just want to keep things simple and consistent. So for right now, and to make things as simple as possible and to make things as stress-free as possible, I will intend to look at or execute 1 trade per week. And those trades will most likely execute Monday mornings, and I will put the order in on Sunday night, so that by the time Monday morning comes around, the order will be executed. Okay, so that's my plan going forward. But anyways, thank you for watching these videos. Made a pretty good profit. We started this journey at $70, and now we are up to $127. This is the journey to $1,000 to 1K. And I believe that once that this account reaches between $200 to $300, and with the compounding, that things will start to run away pretty quickly. Lord willing, as long as I keep on with this strategy, and as long as I remain disciplined. Okay, but in discipline, that's that plays a big part of this. But anyways, again, my name is Jerome. Thank you so much for tuning in back to the Bailey Financial Group. Thank you for my subscribers for watching. Thank you for leaving likes on this video. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them down below, and I'll get to those as soon as I can. But at the end of the day, I just thank you for watching my video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Always remember to be blessed, take the money, and run.